Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Here we have to enter the version, because at the very first position we've got the number we are looking for. So right now all we have to do is simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see here, we've got the info, so we can go back to the general settings in order to find additional settings. As you can see here, we've got the developer options, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the full list of all advanced options which we can customize. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from to customize. So for example, we can change the display cutout. For example, we can show surface updates, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options connected to the Bluetooth, so a lot of options. So in order to turn on the option, for example the pointer location, all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it is immediately applied and activated actually. So obviously you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see, it is not active anymore. What's more, if you've got the options without the switcher, for example like here in those Bluetooth options, all you have to do is simply tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So actually, if you are done with customization of developer options and if you'd like to turn them off, just go back to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher here. As you can see, the developer options disappeared, and after getting back to the additional settings, you cannot find them right here also, so it means that we just successfully disabled them. Obviously, if you'd like to customize them again, then just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Realme 8 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.